Hello.
Hello, is this the parent of Tabitha Burke?
Yes. I'm Tabitha's mother. Who are you?
This is Mrs. Patterson, Tabitha's biology teacher.
Okay. What seems to be the problem?
Well, nothing is wrong per se. As you know, we are beginning the first quarter of our second semester for this school year. I am aware that science is not Tabitha's cup of tea. However, if she does start turning in her homework, if she doesn't start turning in her homework, she will not be able to pass this class.
What? Yesterday I came to the school and I was asking all the teachers what's going on and how she's been doing, and they said that she's doing really good. I asked her business class and her art class and others, and they all thought she was doing fine, so I'm surprised.
Well, unfortunately, that is not true. Now, I'm assuming that you have not received the notes that I have sent home with her. Is that right?
Notes? No. I had no idea any of this was going on. I thought she was doing well because she's a good kid. She doesn't miss school, so she's doing really well, I thought.
Well, my understanding is that in classes that Tabitha likes, she does quite well. Unfortunately, she does not like biology or algebra, and she's not doing well in either class.
Wow, that is just appalling. So, what is her grade in your class?
She has an E in biology currently. It isn't that she can't do the work, Mrs. Burke. It is that she doesn't want to. I have told her I will accept late assignments until the end of this quarter. She still owes me her work from last semester, so I cannot give her any more time than that.
She did not tell me that she had any missing assignments. If she doesn't do these assignments, will she have to do the class over again?
She would have to repeat biology. And it gets more complicated if she fails both biology and algebra. That would possibly mean she would be far enough behind one core class, she would be behind so far in a core class that she might have to repeat the whole grade.
She'll have to do the whole year over again, meaning like she'd be held back. That's not good. Tabby is smart, and I don't want her to have to repeat a grade because that I know she would be embarrassed. But you, being her teacher, should have let me know about these issues before. I could have helped her improve before she was this far behind.
Well, like I told you, Mrs. Burke, I tried to contact you via several letters.
But the classes that you teach, they're full of young kids. Tabby is a young kid. So you shouldn't have gone through a third person to give me that letter. It's easy for her to lose those papers. You should have talked to me directly. I have an email address. It's ebrk1976 at hotmail.com. You could have emailed me at that instead of writing notes.
I apologize for not contacting you directly, and I will use your email from now on. Because this issue is related to more than one class, we would like to schedule a meeting to discuss this with you and Tabitha in person.
Okay, yes, I will advise you to schedule an appointment. because we need to dissolve this issue as soon as possible. It's very time savvy. And since she's so far behind, could you possibly print the papers that she has not turned in so that I can see them and help her try to catch up? Also, you said that she's not doing well in algebra. Would her teacher be coming to that too?
Yes, I can do that for you. The algebra teacher and a guidance counselor will be in attendance as well.
Okay. Every morning I work, so if the meeting could be in the afternoon, that would be best. And also I will need an interpreter.
Yes, we will schedule an interpreter. How does this coming Monday at 3:45 sound?
Yeah, that sounds good. I really hope that we can resolve this issue.
Okay, me too. Thank you so much, Mrs. Burke. Bye.